Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing MRC-19 Forecast, a system to forecast the mortality rate of COVID-19 done by my team, and I'm from UiTM Negeri Sembilan, Campus Remban. Coronavirus disease, which is COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus that initially discovered in Wuhan, China and now spread throughout the countries. Most people infected with this virus will become severely ill and require medical treatment and can cause death. COVID-19 mortality rates nationwide are increasing day by day and growing concerns. On 13 December 2021, 5,325,079 deaths worldwide were recorded. A system of forecasting the mortality rate of COVID-19 using univariate forecasting techniques has been developed, named as MRC-19 Forecast. The objective for this study are to develop a system that helps to monitor the ups and downs of the COVID-19 mortality rate and to develop a system that helps in forecasting the daily mortality rate of COVID-19 worldwide for 3 months ahead. The analysis has been done using the 4 techniques of forecasting, which are knife model, single exponential smoothing, double exponential smoothing, and HOTS method, where the data were retrieved from GitHub Our World in Data. The best forecasting method has been chosen to forecast the 3 months ahead forecast values of the mortality rate of COVID-19.
Introducing the MRC-19 Forecast, a system to forecast the mortality rate of COVID-19. This system uses 4 techniques of time series analysis and it helps the user to analyze the mortality rate data fast and accurately. First, the user can enter the mortality rate data here in these cells, and automatically the system will provide, in this example, the graph of worldwide daily mortality rate that reported from 1st July 2021 until 31st October 2021. The user can see and analyze the ups and downs of the data series. Then, the user also can just click the forecast techniques in order to determine the other models such as knife forecast, knife model, single exposure smoothing, double exposure smoothing, HOTS methods. And at the same time, the user can also analyze the best model and also the forecast values for the best model. In this example, let's say we use knife model, and at the same time, this system will analyze all the data automatically, and the actual and fitted values of the graph of mortality rate using knife models is shown here. The user can also determine the error measures by looking at the values below the graph. Let's see a single exposure smoothing. The same thing happened that the user can actually see the actual and fitted values using this single exposure smoothing and also the error measures. For double exposure smoothing, the same thing will happen, and also HOTS methods, the graph and also the measurement errors. And at the same time, the user can also forecast the values using the best model. Here, the best model is HOTS method, and the ups and downs of the data series is shown here. The best thing is that the user can determine the forecast value for the 3 months ahead period.
HOTS method is the best model to be used, since HOTS method has the lowest value of MSE and MAPE compared to the other models. From the finding, show a decreasing trend of mortality rate of COVID-19 worldwide. Therefore, the forecast value indicate that people die due to the COVID-19 will be decreasing.
The novelty of the study. The finding of this study will give benefit to the world, especially the World Health Organization (WHO), in order for them to get input regarding mortality of COVID-19. Based on the forecast value, the health organization also can make a preparation for the future demand in the healthcare and service, such as health technology like ventilation machine and personal protective equipment (PPE) for the better management. It also gives benefit to the government in finding ways to slow down the number of COVID-19 cases. The good government policies in controlling the number of cases can be shown by a lower mortality rate of COVID-19. Thus, every country can implement the policies used by the country that has low mortality rate. Next is the commercialization plan. The commercialization plan is the analysis using mortality rate of COVID-19 forecast. Next, the social responsibility. First, the idea will help organization to analyze data as easy as ABC using the forecasting technique of univariate. Second, the forecasting will give benefit to the organization as well as the end of user. For the publication, this is the 2 papers that already have been published using forecasting method. And for the award, this is the 2 gold award that have been achieved. Last but not least, the conclusion. This system will help to forecast the mortality rate of COVID-19 and the task of forecasting will be easy.